everyone, welcome back to the Glopen channel. I'm Daniela and today we're in the China Beauty Expo. This is my first time and I'm very excited because I'm very passionate about this topic. I love skincare, I love beauty, makeup. So the idea of this exhibition is to see if it is worth it. I want to know more about latest trends, active ingredients, technology, how China is doing in this industry right now. So yeah. And for the ticket entrance, you have to do it on the website of the exhibition, but they have here as well QR codes, so you can get your ticket entrance very easily and it's for free. So let's go. Okay guys, so we already collect my ticket entrance. Please don't forget to bring your passport, it's very important. And they gave me some information in English, so we are gonna take a look to the map and to the information to decide where to start. Well, this map is huge and everything is in Chinese, but the good thing is that we have here the English information. So I think we're gonna start in the pink side, this one, because it's everything related to skincare products, international and European brands. So yeah, personal care. So I'm gonna start in this part and then we're gonna go to the industrial part. Okay guys, so finally we are here in the skincare section. We have these large bags, but it's not that easy to collect samples. You can see products everywhere. However, there are lines and you have to perform some activities. So I was thinking that maybe we can get some samples because, I don't know, just asking, but no, we have to do some effort about it. This is Chando Group. This is a very large Chinese brand. They have 5 lines of products. We can see here, for example, they are using the PDRN ingredient that is very popular nowadays. And they have different lines over there, we can see. So they have Meicet, that is for anti-aging. They have a Bio Rear that is for sensitive skin. They have Chando, that is the latest product with active ingredients. Some of them were developed by their own company. They have the patent. Here we have the Spring Summer that is for sunscreen. And we have Immune that is for babies. Okay, so they developed this product. They have created their own ingredient for anti-aging and wrinkles. So they have this cream. This is the newest one. This is for day and this is for night.
Yes, and it's also from the same series. It's a serum for your face.
Okay, and this is the serum for the face.
It's a 7th generation already, updated 7th.
It was updated 7 times, so it's the 7th generation. Could you please remind me the name of the ingredient?
Sure. Hymarchency.
Hymarchency. That's the name of the ingredient that they developed. They have the patent. And actually, they also have this program in case you want to be a global partnership. They, for example, told me that right now they are going to Guatemala to sell their products. So they are entering in the America continent. Right now I'm gonna get a free ice cream. I just need to scan the WeChat code and just fill some form like name, telephone number, Chinese telephone number. And then I got this and I'm gonna have my ice cream. Vanilla ice cream. It is good because Shanghai is getting hotter. So yeah, it's refreshing. So now we are in a Chinese company from Chando city, and we have here like products for hair care. So for example, the idea is to prevent hair loss, and they have a farm to cultivate this kind of ginger, and they use this ingredient in their products. So we have here the shampoo. It costs 143 RMB. And you can see here that they have like in 2 months, this will be the result. It seems the all are made from natural ingredients. And we got some samples. This one was easy because we just follow their page on the WeChat channel. We post and comment, and that was all. So this one was easy to get. In the exhibition, we can also find like international brands, and here we found some Italian brand that is focused on the protection of your hair and skin of the climate change. So for example, not only to protect your hair from pollution, but also from chemicals, metals, etc. So they have the whole shampoo, conditioner, some oils to protect your hair, and the prices are around 14 to 15 euros or $10. 70% of the ingredients are natural, like aloe vera or acid hyaluronic. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Thanks a lot. Nice.
I got some free samples. I'm very excited because we found Olive Young. So this is a very famous Korean store that sells skincare, and we are gonna go inside and see like what they have today. So yeah, we can see some brands like makeup brands or skincare brands. Look, for example, this one. It's all for your skin. We can see over there that is for acne problems. This is SPF, like sunscreen. Some toner. The main ingredient is tea tree cica and hydrocolloid. They even have like lip balm. Here in the Olive Young booth, we found this one that is the latest product, and it is focused in radiance and firming skin. So yeah, it's for skin vitality, as it says here. Let's try it. I found out that this product is very popular because it has an active ingredient called NAD, and it is related to skin, like collagen production, and give to your cells energy, so it can boost your skin and make it like look younger than it is. So it's very popular right now, and everybody wants to try it. So we know that Cerave is very popular around the world. I didn't know this was like a Canadian brand made in China. So here the newest product is this package for sensitive skin. It is like the retinol serum and the vitamin C serum, and it's around like 258 RMB. So you can do the exchange and verify if it is cheaper here or in your country. So we are in the Spanish Pavilion. We are gonna see what is interesting here. We are not sure. I think these are not popular brands, but they are here like trying to enter in the Chinese or Asian market. So yeah, I'm gonna try to speak with them in Spanish and see how it goes. Okay, so I discussed with them in Spanish a little bit and why they are trying to do this Spanish brand that is Cantabria Labs. They are trying to enter in the Chinese market, and they are trying to do some push with their products, especially with these two. This one is for hair care, and this one is more like for dermatologic clinic. And they are very popular in Europe, in Spain as well. They have some patents and they are gonna try to reach more like the Chinese customers. These are the products. They are taking advantage of the expo to show their products to the Chinese people. They gave us free samples. If you don't do the activities, you can record a video like us promoting their products and you're gonna receive some gifts. So this is like a towel, I think. This is just for the hot weather. And what is this? Oh, some samples, like for the hair. Yeah, everything for the hair. That's all. So I'm gonna try a boot that is going to massage my leg and my foot. It's for relax my muscles. This is a Korean brand, like the boot is made in China, but the skincare is made in Korea. So we are gonna try it because we are a little bit tired because the exhibition is huge. It's warm inside and it's doing some massage on my leg. Feels good. So if you're interested in this boot, it costs around 1,000 RMB, 999 RMB. So I'm gonna try with the other leg. Now the massage is getting a little bit stronger, but I think it's good because you feel your muscles are relaxed. I think if you have a spa or something, that would be good if you have something like this. Okay guys, so these boots are really comfortable. I mean, my muscles are relaxed right now. Inside it is like warm. They are using the proper force. I mean, it's not soft but not strong. And I was feeling a bit tired because we are walking a lot. Exhibition is huge, but the boots now relax my legs, so I'm very happy. The company that is Korean, they are also selling some products. This one I found it very, very interesting. It's a sunscreen, but it's very soft. If I apply it here, you can see there is a very light. The formula is very light and I love it. And I tried to buy it, but they are not selling it like right now in the exhibition. So I got her contact just to buy it later and I got some resample. They are looking for some Chinese distributor and they are gonna start like selling it in mainland China since July this year. We are now in the makeup area, so here you will find like distributors or suppliers to do your makeup products. And in case you are interested in animal cruelty-free, you can find this kind of distributors that they are focusing clean, vegan, sustainability, and eco-friendly products as well here in China. Okay, so we're missing a lot of samples because we didn't bring coins, specifically 1 yuan. So if you have 1 yuan, you can use it on these kind of machines and get some samples of the products. So next time we should bring some coins. So basically, if you don't want to miss a lot of information of this exhibition, you should bring someone that speaks Chinese, because maybe in the international pavilions you will find someone that speaks English, but in general they only speak Chinese. So if you're looking for a distributor or a supplier, I recommend to bring some Chinese translator. So he can help you, she can help you with all this kind of communication that you will need in order to know prices and everything. Okay, so we found some new technology here, Korean technology. We have these 2 machines. This one is related to lifting, so for face and body, and it's around $12,000. And this one is for just the face, and it's around $8,000, and it's used to relax the skin after some beauty procedures. So they use some filters, some mineral water, some oxygen in case of sensitive skin to remove, like for example, the blood with just air. So it's very interesting for a spa. And they also have here like some information about overseas sales in case you want to acquire. Well, it was a bit traumatizing. It's just joking, but actually it is very interesting to see how this machine analyzes your skin, because it shows some imperfections that you will have in the future. You can see which areas you need to work on, which ones are good, and it gives you a very big perspective about your skin condition. Maybe the position, it was a little bit uncomfortable, but that's all. The analysis was really good, and this technology I think will be very useful for dermatologists or this kind of clinics that do this kind of beauty treatments. I think it's very useful for doctors in terms of analyze their patients. I think it was great, like to see my wrinkles and my freckles and my pigmentation. But yeah, I think it was a great experience, very worth it. And if you're interested in getting this kind of technology, for sure you should come here. This is a Chinese company located in Shanghai, and they are looking for some distributors around the world. So in the previous pavilion, we could see like the machines and like the production process of the packaging. But here in this pavilion, we can see the end product. There are so many packages for makeup, for skincare, for any type of product. You can see, for example, those for perfumes and skincare, and some Japanese brands that are very like famous right now in Asia, like Shiseido. And here you can see some masks for your skin, but everything is related to packaging. So maybe if you want to source this process in China, this will be the place to find any kind of information. Okay guys, so this is the end. The exhibition was great, but I totally recommend to take the 3 days exhibition because it is huge. So if you take 1 day, you will be in a rush. I recommend this exhibition for new companies. If you want to enter in the Chinese market, you will find any kind of product, suppliers, technologies, and so on. From 1 out of 10, I will give an 8 because sometimes you need a Chinese speaking person in order to communicate with some booths. But that's all. Don't forget to subscribe and like, and see you in the next video.